Tony, I don't know what's going on in your life, and it's really none of my business, but if you've got troubles, the answer to any of your problems is Jesus Christ.
Now you tell me how Jesus Christ is going to solve all my problems.
One at a time, if you give him a chance.
You know, you think it's that easy, don't you?
No. No, I didn't say it was easy. In fact, the hardest thing anybody could ever do is follow Jesus Christ.
What would make that so tough?
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for eastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from near Randolph to near Fall River to near Sun Prairie, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Watertown, Beaver Dam, Waupun, Windsor, Columbus, Marshall, Horicon, Waterloo, Juneau, DeForest, Randolph, Fall River, Cambria, Burnett, Fox Lake, Milford, Reesville, Otsego, and Richwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
You all right? Yeah. I wish I could have helped that guy.
You did, man. You told him about Jesus Christ. God's Spirit has to do the rest.
Yeah, you did your job. You told him the truth. You planted a seed.